Hello, I'm Janna Champagne, an autism mom and United Patients Group medical advisor and patient advocate, here to answer your burning questions about cannabis for autism. Today's question is, can CBD make my child hyperactive? The answer is yes, it certainly can. This is why it's important to take an individualized approach with CBD, because optimal profiles for targeting specific needs may differ greatly depending on the child. For example, those with ADD or ADHD often benefit therapeutically from stimulant therapy, so they may actually calm down when taking a more stimulating form of CBD, which is determined by the terpene or essential oil profile of that specific blend. Kids without ADD or ADHD may actually require a more sedative terpene profile to avoid the risk of a hyperenergy reaction. United Patients Group supports the use of Unity formulas for all forms of autism, and they offer a coupon code UPG15 for a 15% discount off your Unity formulas purchase at www.unityformulas.com. To learn more, please check out the links on this page, including my research-cited articles and videos explaining the science of cannabis for autism harm reduction. If you need more assistance, I also encourage you to click the Book a Consultation link above and schedule a session with an autism knowledgeable United Patients Group cannabis nurse. Be informed and be well.